My name is Carolyn French. I'm the National Learning and Development Manager for The Good Guys. So we had a lot of senior leaders that potentially relied on very, very big PowerPoint slide presentations, death by PowerPoint, which really wasn't very inspiring and really wasn't getting the message across that we needed to get across. So we needed to make some changes. I think anyone could, honestly, anyone could, but for me, I think it's someone senior in the business who is potentially brilliant operationally, but there's something getting in their way of being exceptional.
Was there any resistance to possibly getting it on board, or was it just everyone's gung-ho, green light that right away?
Look, I think honestly, when we first looked at the program and we looked at the investment, there was some pushback because it was hard to correlate the investment to the results that potentially we could get. So that was one piece of resistance. So from more of a senior management perspective, the other piece of resistance was, how long is it going to take? Oh my God, this is training. Do we really have to sit there for 2 days? Do we have to watch these videos? All the normal things that you hear. I can tell you that after the first workshop, there was no more resistance. People were walking away saying that's the best thing I've ever been to in my life. It's actually changed how I see myself, how my confidence levels.